outside in the sun, you can see all marks of cast off from the cleaning. I'm not particularly worried, she's going to have to be worked on. So yesterday's. But yeah, dangers of machine polishing. It is messy, very messy. So we'll go off, C1-R, and we'll have more when she's back. Evo Heaven, C1-R, obviously friends over at John Kirkham next door as well, always looked after me. She's done, take through a quick run back. Made it back, car has survived, a little bit different, a little bit heavier, but it feels a lot stronger, it's got a lot more hold on it, you can see. It's tucked back there. So we're going to round out from there. Big shout out Chris, C1-R, the guys over there looked after me, got it in 3-4 days from talking to him, always looks after me. Clutch and firewheel changed out, exit unit's gone in. We had a chat, I'm not going to modify it, We talked about maybe some modifications. I had a chat with Andy from next door, John Kirkham Specialist Cars, looked after me. I've done a few deals with him before, always really helpful, above and beyond. If you want anything specialised, like Focus, Golf R, Mustang, AMG, go check out their website. Obviously, go and check out Chris. The quality of the work is second to none. Can't ever recommend him enough. So we'll close out this one there. We have got some new pieces brought, not much exciting. Just some punches. We need to move the pins from the Brembos, some light sandpapers, and these drill brush attachments for. We're going to try and use them for some carpets and mats and see what happens with them. So I'm going to close out from there. We're going to do a quick post-track day clean. So I'm going to start that.